On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame for a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What's going on, Otter Gang? Hopefully everybody's having a wonderful, super duper hump day, and they are making lots of money. They are long. They are all just ready to get the friction on. Baby got back. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Bitcoin dumping, now pumping. Which way are we going to go? We'll have to see. Let's say good morning to everybody. Thank you for being here on the AlexOCrypto show. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Steve Hickey, Crypto Reaper, Guy. What's going on, man? But honest, it's pretty bleak this morning. That's okay, man. That's okay. Hopefully we can brighten your day. Have a little laugh, a little cry, whatever you want, man. Hopefully we can brighten your day. What's going on all day crypto? Man, that sounds exhausting. All day crypto. Steve Hickey, Chris Reitz, good morning. Donato Cabrera, Infinite Team TA, my man. Hammy Dreza, what's going on? Good morning, gang. What's going on, Muckin? Good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. Shrien Pandy, Gear, Orthan, Albert Rad, Jag, Gook. Call me Dave, Donato Cabrera, Quick Smoker, J-Mag, Apprentice, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Alexandra G's in the chat. You guys better behave yourself. Mr. Trace or Mrs. Trace, I'm not sure which one it is. Good to see you as well. Bitcoin here, pushing up, getting everybody excited again. Ooh-wee. The sentiment... the sentiment changes for what do we get? 4%, 5% dump, and everybody's like, the top's in. Oh man. Quick Smoker, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Michelle, what's going on? How you doing? Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of the 3% of ladies who come and hang out. We appreciate you guys. We need you people. Alexandra G. Andrew Ingram, good morning. Daniel, what's going on? How many Daniels do we have, man? There's only one real Daniel. If you know, you know. Muckin, what's going on, Muckin? Good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. Nice rollover here on Bitcoin. Bearish divergence. Woo-wee. You guys all get long at 3 a.m.? I'm telling you, 3 a.m. is the time to trade. You just come here and you take the trade. Good to go. Pink box doing its job yesterday, everybody. We needed a pink box emoji. I think the pink box has earned the right. Is there a pink? Pink. There's no box. We can do pink hands, pink hearts. There's no pink. There's no pink box, guys. Let's just do pink hands. It's kind of weird, man. We can do pink hands. Weird. Miss Anthropic. What's going on, Crypto Vol? Rob S. Good morning to you. Daniel D. Trace E. Greg. Good morning. Good to see you. Kyle Mano. Anyone else big on Caspa? Nah. Larry V. Good morning. I mean, I'm sure it'll do well. I bought Caspa at 8 cents and sold it at 18 cents, and that was that was a year ago. It feels like a year or two ago, when there was some hype behind it, literally. Rogo Roth. Good morning, Apulia. Good morning, Caesar. What's going on, guys? Patrice, what's going on, man? Greetings from Palma. Good to see you, man. How you doing, Soy Quest? Good morning. Good morning. Gigi, what's going on, man? GG's. We say that a lot here. Mahaba, what's going on? Good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. The pink box is always winning, guys. Like don't fade the pink box. The gang knows. Only the video in Alex TA section this morning. No screenshots. Gonna post those. Only the video. Oh, did I forget to post the charts? Oh, see? Keeping me accountable. Keeping me accountable. Thank you. I'm pretty sure I have them. Sorry. Slacking, man. I gotta make sure they're the right ones. Are they the right ones? Yes, okay. Slacking. Thank you for calling me out. What a slacker. I had them ready, man. I had them ready. I'm posting them right now. You know what happened is I started to I wasn't fully touching cloth, but I was really close. That's what happened, Mark. If you want the honest, let's hear it in the chat. Making crypto honest again. Okay? That's it. Crypto was only honest once, and that's when Bitcoin was created. That's it. So we're trying to go back in time. Oh, man. How much Bitcoin would you have bought if Bitcoin was under $1,000? Oh, my God. I came into Bitcoin. Bitcoin was at 30,000, then it dumped to 15, and I bought at 20. So I think I did all right. I found Bitcoin at $30,000, and I bought at 20. So I did okay. $20,000. I didn't know about it until then. I didn't know about it until I got a scam video with Jack Dorsey, Elon Musk. It was and Michael Saylor video. It was like a weird scam video. But then I did some research and I found out what Bitcoin was. That's how I got here, guys. A scam video. I got here from a scam video. So thank you, scam video. I'm just not an idiot. I didn't buy the scam, okay? You see? What's going on, Buck? Good to see you as well. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Sorry for being a slack on the Discord, guys. I definitely shot an 82 yesterday golfing and pulled my neck. You know what was good yesterday? I played the black tees, which are like the furthest back, the tips they call them. And the guys in front of me were playing the blues, and I outdrove them every time. Pump and dump. I got to see where I was in the chart, man. I don't even know where I was. You guys got me all messed up here. Mark Gustafson calling me out. Dan, good morning. Saphir, good morning. You guys have some weird priorities, man. $1 million isn't even that much anymore. I should change it. You guys broke my heart with your answer to my poll. You only get one. 6. We'll do 100K. You guys broke my heart. You guys broke my heart with your answer. Bitcoin dumping, pumping. Okay, big push here. You guys try again. You guys are just now 100 grand is not that much money. There we go. We'll try this again, guys. Everybody voting 100 grand at a spite. What's going on, Al Jr.? Good to see you. Steve Hickey, Curtis Hillman. We lost last night, bro. Blue Jays should have won last night. Ando Poncho, Shy Owl. Mass Rider. Bearded Mike, good morning. Good to see you. That's scammy, man. Look at this coming into the little order block and bouncing out of there. NASDAQ dumpy. Bitcoin pumpy. ETH looks okay. Solana needs to get above this high. Coming into our buy level yesterday, but still needs to get into that high. Just tapping its head on resistance right now. So well here for Bitcoin. We'll see if we get up there. Looks like we got an order block. We got a big volume node, and we got a Fibonacci golden pocket, guys. So there's actually quite a bit of resistance here. Golden pocket. Volume. Bloop. And a wee little order block. Okay, so see if we can get through this. That would be cool. Big old recovery here. Balloon dog. Maybe we balloon dog here. Maybe we got, it's got some really bad front legs, right? It's like I don't know. For me, this is enticing buyers again every morning, guys. It's enticing buyers every morning. Now, we had our level yesterday. I made like $300 yesterday. I had a very, very bleak break-even day. Okay? I went and golfed. Okay? Because I didn't want to FOMO NOMO. Okay? But that's okay. Now, we had the level yesterday. Did we not? We all had the level yesterday. The execution on that level was poor. So being able to draw squiggles on charts, this is why I get like these people who only do top-down analysis and don't trade live, who don't, I don't know. People who squiggle on their charts a lot. You can say I told you so, but did you take the effing trade? Okay? I told you so. Doesn't work for me, man. I told you so. It doesn't make my bank account look bigger. I told you so, or I gave you that level, doesn't mean jack diddly squat if you didn't take the damn trade. That's just my opinion. I could go on any stupid token right here. I could go on, let's just go to whatever, random Scheisenhausen. Beam. Beam is bullish, guys. It just pumped up 1 billion %. Oh, we have some key levels here. We're looking for a pullback here because this is our full-on 382 Fibonacci bounce level that we're looking to go to. We got an order block in here, and I highly suggest you look here. Like, well, who gives a rat's butt about your level, bro? Now, the TA is there, and you can make it. whatever about that. But I mean, if you're giving levels out and you're not taking trades, you should just go back to doing price prediction videos. That's my opinion. They're making money off of you signing up on their exchanges, using their affiliate links, buying their merch, buying their course that's going to change your life. I'm on one already this morning. You know what it is? I woke up with a really sore neck. I need like the Uncle Fester neck brace, you know? Do you guys know what I'm talking about? You guys watch old school Addams Family? Yeah, Uncle Fester neck brace. Put a 1 in the chat. What's going on, Percol Yogurt? Patrick Swayze. Afternoon from London. It's not that hot in London, is it? Shy Owl. Good morning, Al Jr. GG. Old Guy Reviews. Mandera. Jin PSV. Good morning, Miss Anthropic. Crypto Michael. Good morning, man. How's it going? Are you waiting for a change of character on the 1530 or hour for most coins? So for me right now, it's a bit of if this and that. This is their opportunity to kind of correct. Okay, so if we're looking at structure right now, we must recognize that we have broken downward structure, right? We have lost our low here. Okay. So if we've lost our low here, this can correct, right? We can correct one more time. Right? We can ABC, whatever the hell. We can do the Sesame Street. Okay, so we must respect this. That doesn't mean we can't get long here. We're scalpers. So for me, I can long anywhere, really. I can short anywhere as well. If they're going to deliver some more pain and bring it down, right? So if we look at this range and we can see there's a value area high here, 382. So there is confluence in this area. See, we're drawing squiggly lines here. There is confluence in our area up here if we're going to come back down. So in my opinion, the bulls must defend 119.5. Full stop. We can come down as low as 119. Okay? But for now, we must respect this. So this is possible. This is still possible. I would like this. This would be nice if we can get something like this. A little bit more humble pie and then a nice bounce out. We are bullish because of daily structure. Okay? Dips are for buying. Because of daily structure, dips are for buying. I bought a bit of render last night. I didn't buy anything else. I'm just topping up a little bit of my render short-term bag, okay? I have a long-term render bag, which I bought at like $2 something. But I bought a little bit here. I had a green box to buy here. Okay. We'll see if it goes. Doesn't mean we can't go further. DCA plan, you know? I have a plan for that stuff, but structure-wise, we need to be prepared for that. So we need to be prepared for a potential second dump, okay? Because if we got 3 drives, bearish divergence, golden pocket retracement, dump, break a structure, retest, and then this, right? So that's how I'm preparing. That's how I would prepare in general. So we'll see how it goes. Like if we come down in here and then we break the high, happy days. Up we go. There's so many bullish catalysts right now. I mean, the amount of Bitcoin that BlackRock's buying, gold just hit $4,000, guys. Incredible. Incredible. Timing wise, this all makes sense. They're not going to make this part easy, right? Remember, we said humble pie. This, as soon as we get this big impulse up, and they start, this is when they're baking the pie, guys. When they start chopping like this, they're baking the pie. Okay? And it's actually a good extension level. If we take swing high to swing low in here, we can see we hit our perfect extension levels in here. So it's a good push. It's a good start. Okay? It's a very good start. Remember, Bitcoin must push. It must hit all-time highs. 20 to 25 days later, I believe. So Bitcoin, listen to this. This is probably, put a 1 in the chat if you know this, okay? After Bitcoin tops out in a bull run, okay, Bitcoin tops out 20 to 25 days for Ethereum to top out. Interesting, isn't it? So you got basically three quarters of a month till ETH tops out. So you got, and you know, rotation from Bitcoin to Ethereum and Solana to low, medium, and high altcoins, right? That's our rotation. Everybody showing you that stupid chart? Okay? 20 days. Do. Back into Bitcoin, back into cash. Right? We all know the rotation. But did you know that? That's how long it takes for ETH to top. Generally. In general, okay? Wagwan Mayu. Wagwan, what's good, man? Good to see you. Make crypto honest again. Good morning, Duality C. Randy Hipper in the chat. What's going on? Good to see you, Randy. Much love to you. How you doing? Everybody can hear me or what? Is the volume really low? Are we having the same issue? I mean, my volume's up. If you can't hear me, you got to wait for the enhancer. Sound is good. Put a 1 in the chat. People keep saying I'm good. People saying I can't hear me. Infinite Team TA. God bless you, bro. Rohit Ganek, Lurker, Jacob, Lurker, Thipa, Kazi, Lurker, Mario, Lurker, and the Jester, Lurker. Say good morning, guys, man. Don't be weird. What's going on, JR? Good to see you, Greg. Spee, DJ Mac, Philly Skills. Good to see you, man. Bilal, Lightman, good morning. Ryan Smith. Extra 3 inches and extra. Can you add extra option and extra 3 inches? 1 vote. Six inches taller, life partner, 2 times strong. I would be 6 inches taller. That's what I would pick. I'd be a giant. No, I'd be 5'11". I wouldn't even be a giant. Yeah, I'd probably be taller just to see what it's like. Literally see what it's like. I mean, we got the money printing machine. We got the life partner. I'm strong already, so I'm happy. 2x strengths would be funny, just to like, especially at my height, like 5'4", and like I'm pretty strong, but like, I just go to bars and arm wrestle really beefy dudes and just whoop their ass. No, that's not what I'm really into, guys. Imagine how far I could drive the ball. It's only 30%, bro. Lorelai, what's going on? Good to see you. Lightman, good morning. Buck, DJ Mac. 82, yeah, man. Shot an 82 yesterday. It was pretty good. I sent some pictures in the Discord. Wait, Alex, we got a plan. 1 million come to AlexO and turn it into 1 billion. I hope so, man. We're rolling over here on Biddy. I hope so. I hope I help you guys multiply your bags, man. I'm not a financial advisor. We have a sale on the Discord. We do pretty well. we do. We do very well, in my opinion. But it's just we want you to become fishermen. I'm not here to withhold all my secrets. Could you check Cordano? I'm long. I don't know what to do. Might as well call Charles Hoskins, man. Ryan Smith, HFG, JB. Mucking, good morning. I'm really tall enough. Okay. Can you spare some height there, Mucking? Vincenzo La Spezza, what's going on? Farhad, good morning. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Baratochka. Thank you so much again, Infinite Team TA. God bless you, bro. When are you going to start streaming again? Lucky Deal, what's going on? Bearded Mac. But did you take the trade? That's it, right? What's going on, Army Piper? How you doing, brother? God bless. Good morning. Squiggle, it's me. Told you, bro. Look at my rented Lambo. That's it, right? Chris Reitz, good morning. Hickey, good morning. Good afternoon. You got baked today. Uh-oh. You probably should go and relax, man, and not trade. That's my opinion. Volume is fine. See, people weird with their volume, man. Stop listening with your wish.com headphones, okay? You guys all want 3 inches longer. You guys want to be like Ron, what was his name? Ron Jeremy or something like that? Anyways. You guys relax. This changes the dirt bike talk. I mean, we could talk about dirt bikes, but we're not gonna get the 2-stroke. We're gonna definitely get. We probably get myself a little 125 at my size. a little blap blap blap. A little bit of I think Alex or anyone else follow when 200 crosses the what? The highs 69. That means top is in. Not me. That sounds like conspiracy theory. I love it. Crypto Billy was good on Crypto Princess. Absolutely. I talked to Billy while I was golfing yesterday. It was we had a nice little talk. Riding the candle of Valhalla. Chantel, good morning. Good to see you. Wayne C. How's the sandwich, man? Orhan, Jason, good morning. Crypto Dog, Andrew Rees. You named your new dog Otter? No way. That's sick, man. I went and looked at a couple Chiron Bugatti yesterday. Costco had a couple die-cast models. I mean, my wife told me I'm allowed to buy a Ferrari if we get to a house and a $10 million portfolio. So that's kind of a big goal of mine. Like a paid-off house and a $10 million portfolio. Okay? I'm allowed to buy a Ferrari. I mean, I go here often. I come over here and I do a little. I mean, the F80 is pretty sick. I like the F80. I mean, it's just got that energy, guys. It's got that energy. You know? Whew. Guys. Oh man. But it's not an Enzo. It's not an Enzo. You know? And like you could get a nice pre-owned, right? You can get like a nice four. Yeah. The F8, man. The F8 is where it's at. A nice F8 for what's it Canadian bucks? Probably 500, 600,000. Why would you get a blue Ferrari? 440. It's available in Vancouver, guys. We're going to Vancouver. I'll have to do a vlog if I ever buy one of these. I mean, I've always since I was a kid, I've always had a 430 Scuderia on my wall. Like I'm talking a 4 foot by 3 foot poster. Since I was a kid. I've had a poster of this on my wall since I was probably, I don't know, 8. I've had when I was a little kid, I had this on my wall my whole life growing up. That was it. My whole life, 430, baby. So I've probably brainwashed myself into wanting one of these. But I've had one of these. Even asked my wife. My wife, when I wasn't dating my wife, when my wife and I were friends. Let's put it that way. When we were friends, I still had it on my wall. Now that we're married, I don't have it on the wall anymore because I'm married with kids and I'm no longer a little boy anymore. But even I still had that poster on my wall probably 7-8 years ago. From the dawn of time. So I had that. Your dream car is never brainwash. There you go. I'm too old to get out of something like that. Yeah, that would be a funny scene, Piper. That would be a funny scene, man. Imagine Piper trying to get out of a. Third generation Viper. Yeah, that's sick, man. V12. Oof. Oof. Supra. Yeah, I love my the MK4 98 Supra 2JZ. I obviously I grew up a tuner kid as well, man. I get it. Brap, brap, brap. But you pull up. I don't know. I might just get a 98 Supra. Call it a day, right? GTR? Are you... I mean, GTR will run you $400,000 nowadays. Easy. Bitcoin trying to roll over here, guys. Enticing buyers, dumping. Coming back. Order block retest right now. No trade. A catamaran sailboat. That's cool, Don. What's going on, LBC? Good morning, bro. A Debbie Harry. Yeah. Cybertruck for Alexandra G. Do you ever see how Elon came up with the Cybertruck? Alexandra G. This is Elon's inspiration for the Cybertruck right here. What a good game, man. Classic Tomb Raider. Just getting out of the mansion at the beginning of the game was hard enough, man. You know? You got to do all those swing tests and those climbing up the boxes and jumping from box to box, man. That was a pain in the ass as a kid, man. What up, Gur? Good to see you, man. How you been? Sorry, guys. Just pondering. Just pondering. What makes the price action tricky around here is because there's no volume up here, guys. That's why. When you don't have very defined levels like we did here and here, you notice how sporadic price action was here, and then it kind of cooled off in here. Anyways, it's volume for you. Buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers. Buyers and sellers. 12-minute resetting here. This is good. This is better than yesterday. 12-hour golden pocket yesterday, guys. We missed the trade. We missed that trade. We got long here. We got stopped out for 300. I took 300 back, and then I made another 300. And then got stopped out on a Solana long in the Discord, and that was my day. It was wasn't too exciting, to be honest. We did have the pink box down below for the whole Discord, so that was good as well. And if you are new here, we have our final sale on the Discord going on right now. Prices going sky high, okay? Absolutely sky high, because there's too many of you people in our Discord. I'm trying to cut the fat. Infinite Team TA, man. God bless you, bro. David Brado, Lurker. Victor Nwasu, Lurker. Jeremy Shelton, Lurker. Jaws, Lurker. And Suraj Prajapti. Man, look at all these lurkers, bro. Infinite Team TA, my man. God bless you, bro. You gonna start making videos again, or what's going on, man? Where are you at? I need you in my life. God bless you, bro. Thank you for the 5, man. Cyber trash, self-driving Teslas, Earth Roamer. I want to get my my wife the new GX 550. All blacked out. Something like this. I want to get my wife this. This is the Lexus GX 550. This is what I want to get my wife, so she can just like monster truck over snow and stuff, because I want her to be safe. I want to get her this thing, man. That's sick, no? The new Lexus GX 550. They're hot, man. This is like a G-Wagon with a reliability of a Toyota, bro. That's next level. And you can make these things look badass, man. You do it up proper. Look, there's some People are like really rigging these. It's like a yeah, boy. 7-seater, 2 kids in the back, wife going over rocks and stuff, man. Oof. You get me all excited. This is my car right now. If everybody doesn't know, I drive a 4Runner. I got a 4Runner right now. It's my baby. I got a 4Runner. Great car. Great vehicle, as you guys say. Great vehicle. Vehicle. I did not. Sorry. 4 token. No. Sorry, I didn't come across that, Eric. How much for the sale? $65, man. It's going up to 88. Farmer's seen my 4Runner. It's only got 30,000 clicks on it. It's the previous generation, so it has a V6 reliable gas guzzler, not a V4 turbo piece of garbage they have out now. So it's a previous generation. It's the last year to buy the previous generation. 30,000 clicks. It's a great vehicle, man. That thing will, it'll run forever, man. Good to see you, Farmer. How you doing, bro? How's everything coming with the house? Hyped out. It looks nice in the matte back. Yeah. Good to see you, Rashad. Brave Dave. Cake to $42. How was golf yesterday? It was great. I shot an 82. I played the tips. This course, I went to a different course. It's very like it's a tourist course. Okay, it's not like a golfer's course. It's like very narrow fairways, very short tees. I got 1 birdie yesterday. Oh, baby, what a birdie, man. What a birdie. Par 3. A birdie on a par 3 is nice, guys. Come on. Par 3, 147 yards. I hit a gap wedge, a 52 degree. Front pin, though. Front pin. So it's probably like a 143 shot. Front pin, over water. And the funniest... All right, we got to draw it out, right? We got to draw it out. So here's your flag, right? We got to start with the flag. I realize I can't draw this without... All right, you got this beautiful... It comes up and around like this. Yeah. Your green comes back here, okay? This is your cart path here, okay? This is your green, okay? Okay, this pin's got to be more forward. Sorry. The pin's here. You got your tee box here, okay? Tee box is here, green's here. Dude, you got houses here, okay? You got houses here. These aren't mountain, these are houses. The funniest shit ever. I played this course like with my wife. No, was it with my wife? No. It might have been with my wife. And I hit 9-iron, guys. I hit 9-iron, and these are like $5 million houses. These aren't like this thing's got like 3 levels big dick energy, okay? I hit a 9-iron here, okay? Remember I said I hit a 52 degree gap wedge here. So 2 clubs up. I hit a 9-iron here, and I landed it right on this guy's porch. He came out and started screaming at me. This was like 2 years ago when I didn't actually play golf. He came out and started screaming at me. What the fuck? What club did you hit? And I'm like, bro, you shouldn't have bought a house right beside a par 3, bro. People are going to miss, right? He's got like a big fence up. I I went so high, it went over his fence and landed like basically on his barbecue. Guy was losing his mind. It was funny. So I'm reminiscing of like hitting this guy's house. And I'm golfing with two Australians. I'm two Aussies from Melbourne yesterday. And good guys. They sucked, but they're great guys. Fair incomes, capsicums, dinner. We're going for dinner. Said it to all my Aussies in the chat. Okay. So I hit this. So they both hit like this guy hit a 7-iron, 142 7-iron. He actually landed it right here. Pretty good. Dad hit a 7-iron too. He landed it back here. I hit the 52, guys. Beep. Within 2 feet, guys. Like an absolute dart. Within 2 feet. This guy had about an 8-foot putt. He 2-putted. This guy 3-putted. And I sunk it for birdie. Over the water here. This is water. Sorry, I didn't draw this properly. Water, sand. Okay. Nice little fountain in here. And I threw a dart, guys. A beautiful birdie. It was my only birdie of the day. I played pretty much par golf, which was good though. Couple of bogeys. 82. Great round. Lots of fun. I pulled my neck though. Definitely pulled my neck. Yeah. Yep, I pulled my neck. But it was fun. That guy was pissed though, man. Absolutely pissed. What's going on, Paper Planes? Good to see you, man. I would have stamped ping on his face with the wedge. That's it, man. Yeah, ping. Tailor made. Oh man, mine would say all my clubs are Titleist, so he'd have Vokey right on his forehead from my gap wedge. Yeah, but it was I bet that dude was. Yeah, he was pissed, man. It's a nice house, guys. It's a nice. Let me see if I can find it. I bet you I can find it. I can find it, guys. Look, I found it. I legit found it. I can't tell you guys where I live. I legit found. This is the exact hole. Buddy's house. Bunker, front pin. So Buddy's house isn't in this picture right now. Is this? This is it. So his house is right here. His house is right here. It wasn't built in this picture yet. Beautiful hole though. Guys, there's no trade here. You guys wonder why I talk about golf and cars and dirt bikes and food. Don't get me started on the food, guys. Is this where we take trades? You guys tell me. You want me to do squiggle lines on your top-down analysis? You gonna talk about crypto, John? I don't like you yelling at me, John. Please don't yell at me. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to think about what you just said. Don't yell at me, bro. John Foster Crypto, my man. What's going on? How you been, John? I'm gonna get a Doberman off of you in a couple years. Believe in reality, Lurker, Droove, Dabrewal, Lurker, Safak, what's up, Safak, Lurker, Mikey, good to see you. Good morning, man. How you doing, John Foster Crypto? God bless you, man. Thank you for the 5, man. Oh man. Lurker, what's going on, Magma? Good to see you, man. Your bro. Good morning. Game over. Good to see you, your bro. Intercooler. That's why you got nice insurance too. Yeah, that's exactly it, man. This guy's sitting cozy beside a par 3. What do you think's gonna happen in your house? That's why, I mean, if you're buying the house, you should know where not to plant your house. Here's the picture. I found it. Sorry, I was getting pissed off. I was like, "Where's this house, man? It looks like I'm a liar. I'm not a liar." Here's his house right here. So this is the tee box. I hit from the tips here. And there's the hole. Look at this guy's house is huge, guys. Huge. Like second deck, 9 irons, second deck, just boo, bam. Yesterday was boo, bloop. That's the hole right there. Good morning, handsome man. What's going on? Is that you knocking on the door? Hey, buddy. Can you say dada? I don't hear you say dada. You got to knock and ask. Can you say... I got to go see my son, guys. Say dada.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of haters, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
AlexOCrypto. How much are those houses over there? Yeah, about 4 mil, 4 or 5 mil, easy. I could find them for you. We could go Google Map it. It's yeah, these aren't no nambe pambe. These aren't no nambe pambe kind of houses, guys. I don't want to bait my location. I guess I already have. No, they have a safety net. There's a safety net on that house. There is a safety net on that house. I went over top of the safety net. If we zoom in here, this guy, I guess we can't zoom in that well. This guy's got a net right here. So there's a pole here, a pole here, a pole here, a pole here, and that goes around like this. And I went like this. Bam! He's got a safety net, man. I'm telling you. It doesn't matter about your safety net. AlexOCrypto will find a way. Yeah, he's got full-on safety net right here. You can see it. These guys are okay. This one's set back and this one's set back. Like you would have to hit like a 6-iron. You'd have to hit like this is like a 150 shot. You'd have to hit like a 180 shot, 190 shot. Thanks, wife. What an incredible wife I have. Coffee delivery. I forgot to turn on the coffee machine. She just filled it up and brought me it. Sweetheart. All right, no trade here, guys. Honestly, this Chop City before market open here, coming into 9 o'clock. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I guess we can do some top-down analysis, and let's talk about crypto, everybody. Okay? Talk about crypto. What's going on? What's with this market, really, and how are we prepared? So we talked about the structure here being changed, how this can be corrective right now, and we're aware of that. Okay, a couple pink boxes. Found the pink box yesterday. Has bounced here, coming back, retesting previous lows. Okay, initially. Resistance here, golden pocket, order block, volume. Okay, so first stop, possibly. Okay, we'll see. If we get this in here, we can short it down into here. If we get like a retest continuation, we can look to long here. If we get an SFP into here, we can look to long here as well. Okay, couple of options throughout. Right now, we don't want to fade the daily uptrend, but we are aware that we have changed structure on like a 4-hour, right? So this is something that we should always respect when trading. Now, Ethereum got blasted the worst yesterday. Okay, coming back up, sweeping that high, rejected back down, finding support back to kind of where it's comfortable here, right? You can see it's actually quite comfortable here at 44.50. You can see that throughout. So I'd like to see it defend here. Wouldn't want to see it really get too much lower. You could see it possibly come as low as 44, but wouldn't like to see it get too much lower. Solana, same deal here. Got this inverse head and shoulders. Everybody and their brother is probably talking about this now, looking for that to break out. Hasn't really closed above this high yet, so really a lot of work to do here for Solana, which is fine. It looks okay. Coming back, finding our support level that we had from the Discord, and trying to push out. Big resistance at 225 here. Looking to push, though. Looking decent. Okay. Up 1% for the day. Everything's up about 1%. A little bit of a bounce back. Okay. A little bit of hopium throughout the market, which is fine. We're still bullish. Just wanna go off confidence kind of deal, right? Looking at the S&P chopping sideways here. Same with the NASDAQ chopping sideways here. Gold all-time highs. Pretty incredible. Don't I have a metalhead here? We have gold here hitting $4,000 yesterday. Gold up only, right? Hitting that $4,000 mark. I would think there are a lot of sellers up here, but gold just continues to outperform. Same with like silver. Silver looking good. Okay, a lot of things. A lot of these precious metals, hard assets. Hard assets. I said it. Okay. Okay, NASDAQ chopping sideways here. Like to see proof in the pudding get going again. Okay, SPY. Want to see it get going again. Coming back, guess what? It filled that gap. We said that was a weird gap yesterday, didn't we? So it has come back and filled that gap. Now we'll see if it does want to continue here and push onwards and upwards. Going over top down Bitcoin, what we can see and what we probably will see is that, you know, we're talking about this 382 level in here and the retest of these highs in here. Okay? So that would be the area. 119 has to be defended, in my opinion. So even if we correct, I would like to see it defended. No daily closes below there. Then we got to kind of reconsider some of our big ideas, okay? Coming into Pumptober. Looking at Market Cipher, daily anchor wave coming down, rolling over, confirm red dot, okay? Caution. This tells me we could be sideways for a couple of days. 1, 2, 3, at least till maybe next Sunday even. We could be sideways and treat it like a range, okay? Because we are starting to develop a range up in these highs right now. We got highs and lows, right? Very, very clearly defined range, and we can see if we start to fill this in a little bit. That would be cool. Kind of launch pad, right? Looking at our 12-hour here, good posturing, good candle pushback here, wick test, perfect wick test here. Okay, on the 12-hour, which is typically a selling area, so you would look for this to continue down. Just warning you. But VWAP's posturing to the upside. I like this when you start to see curvature on Market Cipher. So look at this, guys. You got curvature here. You got curvature here. You got curvature here. Okay, we all like curvature. Okay, we want to see that curvature come up to the 0 line and break through, and that's kind of the trigger. Okay, this is the first warning sign that we are coming up. Okay, so be aware of that. 8-hour VWAP crossover. Okay, you already had positive curvature down here, trying to push out. So that's a very good sign. Trigger wave on the 4-hour, very strong. Green money flow, VWAP crossover. So nice trigger wave here on the 4-hour, trying to continue. Okay, but like I said, because we've changed structure, we've broken this low. We're possibly correcting and then going. So be aware of that. The 3, the 2, and the 1. Same deals, all anchor waves, all trying to push up. The 1 hour looking a little bit exhausted here. Looks like it could come down. So that's the caution right here. Is if this comes down, then we're looking for this bullish divergence, right? Maybe we do this. That would be so juicy, guys. Then I would back up the truck if we got this. Okay, I would be giga long and long dong silver, whatever you want to call it. That's what I would be looking for there. Okay. Looking for a retest of previous highs, looking for it to hold VWAP as well, looking for these lows to be possibly swept. This is liquidity down here, so we're interested in that. Clearly liquidity at the highs here, but looking to retest this area in here. This would be our Fibonacci golden pocket rejection zone, met with the volume at the top of this beautiful range that we have now, right? We can see the range. We can see the volume node. We can see the Fibonacci. So we're prepared right now. Stuck in the middle with you. So we wait. We try to be patient. We'll see what market does on open. And that's how I prepare. Hopefully you're a prepared trader too. If this, then that. We don't buy the middle of the range. We wait for confirmation of structure and of price action, baby, because price action is always going to be king. Okay, so be aware of that. So if this, then that. Pink box yesterday in the Discord holding quite nicely. Okay. Couple of trade ideas in the Discord. We'll see if it does want to continue to respect these levels and push up. But thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel. We got our final $65 sale on the Discord if you want to join. How many traders do we have in our Discord now? I've lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 traders. 7 Alpha Omega Giga Chad traders. Everybody's got different styles. Everybody's got hairy styles. Complete access to AlexOCrypto. And I mean the best Discord in all of crypto. That's all I gotta say. Be there or be square. Up to you guys. It's going up to $88 because there's too many people in there. Hey, Alex, just subbed to the Discord. Do you have a video on how to set up Market Cipher? Absolutely. Go over here. Go over to your family lessons. You got 150 videos in here. Go over to Market Cipher. Money flow reading. Market Cipher cheat sheet. Okay? Market Cipher be stochastics. Market Cipher rundown. Okay? You got all your videos in here. Your volume videos, your structure videos, order blocks, Fibonacci, Orb, SFPs, VWAP, general trading. Watch the must videos, okay? Your strategies are in here. Up-only strategies, how to use your exchange, how to manage your risk. Setting up the key boxes and areas on your chart. Scalping lesson sessions. And the must reversal, 1, 2, 3 method. Incredible. Okay. And we have a live Discord stream today. Yeah. And you had one yesterday with CVO, which was great, I heard lots of good feedback on that. And you get to say hello and good morning to Melissa every morning. Right, Melissa? Good morning. The gang, baby. Let's go. So a prepared trader is a profitable trader. Any technical analysis to share? Yeah, we did like a 3-minute rundown. Just reverse it a bit. Go back 4 minutes. Thank you for being here. Andrew Cameron, God bless. How's the kid, Andrew? $4 to $5 mil goes a lot further in Winnipeg, yeah. Comes with in-floor heating. Just saying. It's too flat, bro. People don't realize how flat Winnipeg is. It's flat. Like, it's a flat back. Enticing buyers, dump. Enticing buyers, dump. 908, guys. SFP of the low. SFP of the low. Mm-hmm. Coming back for late longs. That's what that is. Late longs. All in here. Everybody going to Valhalla. They saw this one candle and they got all excited. And they didn't pay themselves. That's what happened there. They saw this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Buy. Wrecked. Oh man. Push. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down. Is it worth the squeeze? Probably not. That's an SFP in here. Did it take the low? Maybe. Not really. Still waiting. All right. Still waiting. Do I look at silver too? Not really, man. Not really. Melissa, good morning, Asinda. Live stream today. We should have entered at 3 a.m. It's always 3 a.m., man. Saskatchewan is number one flat in my opinion. Yeah, it is. It is definitely flat. I've driven across the country twice, so I know. Nice pushback here. Hockey season is here. Game 1 today for the Leafs, baby. I can't believe our Blue Jays lost, though, man. Damn Yankees. I wanted to sweep those foos. Game 1 for the Leafs. The Habs are going to get absolutely habit to them. They're going to get it handed to them. We'll see. I'm very upset that McDavid re-signed. That's all I got to say. I'm still licking my wounds on that one. Burger King is better than McDonald's. They're both shit. Oh, man. I'm wearing my Yankees shirt today. Oh, God. Bandwagon. Yeah, I definitely pulled my neck. Like, my body is not meant to golf that well. Canadian Shield, baby. It is gorgeous. Northern Ontario, man, it's wild. Swear jar. Did the Panthers win? Yeah. That's getting old. The cats can stay away, man. Got 17 minutes here. Nice pushback for Biddy. Still in a downtrend. Volume coming in on this low. Trying to push up here. How'd Soul face here? Yeah, okay. Solana looks good. Hanging Man and Golfing Candle here on Soul. Continuation up. Good volume here, guys. Coming into market open. You can see the volume on that sweep. Clearly doing a job, but doesn't mean it's out of the woods yet. They tried to push price down pretty aggressive there, so it tells me they're either setting a trap for longs or they've pushed it down to make it easier to push it down further, right? It's doing a job. Whenever you have a volume candle that comes in, okay, it's hunting liquidity or it's enticing people into an action, right? So if it pushes down here, it's either grabbing the liquidity at little lows here, right? So it's sweeping the, let's say, the leverage longs in here, okay? Trying to take this thing to Valhalla. Or it's sweeping, it's pushing into orders down here so that when it wants to come down, it's easier for it to do so because there's less orders here in the way to buy price back up. Okay. Clearly, it looks like it's trying to push up here. So it's swept the liquidity in here. Now it's pushing up. It's done its job. It's got enough people wrecked over here that it can continue upwards. Doesn't mean we take the trade. It's just the information that we can extract from a candle like that, right? It doesn't tell me full-on direction, but it gives me a tell, right? It gives me an insight to what possibly could happen. It looks like it wants to push. Solana doing the same thing here, right? This is Bitcoin dominance at its finest, okay? ETH doing the same thing here. It came back, it swept liquidity, now it's pushing, right? Solana in a beautiful, beautiful flag here trying to break out. This is the threat right now is Solana needs to close above here. It has not done so yet, so this still could be a trap. This still could be a very much like, oh my god, look, we're going to Valhalla, and then bam, come back for the liquidity in the lows, right? So we're not buying the top here on Solana. You could be like, oh, breakout, retest, continuation. Yeah. Liquidity. 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 Middle of the range. Structure. No touchy. Okay? Market open. Definitely no touchy. Okay? Back to Bitcoin. Fair value gap. VWAP. Volume. Touchy. Okay? Because right now this is like head and shoulders, right? For all retail. For the retail peeps, man. You got to draw, every now and then you got to draw head and shoulders. It makes you sound smart. Does it really, though? That one BJ better than 9 Yanks made me so hard. Yeah, it's so good, bro. Scalp $20. Good job, bro. Heat. What price would you buy into Sol? I've been buying Solana for a long-term hold. Anything under, generally under $180. Is it $100? Yeah, $180 and under. I think Solana's gonna do a lot of damage. Everybody thinks ETH is gonna be this blockchain for Wall Street at long term. I don't think so. Too slow, too expensive. Solana ETFs in 2 days, guys. Look what happened over the last year for Bit. Do you like VWAP because of your Italianness? It's VWAP, not VWAP. Okay, it's VWAP without papers. You know how they used to explain it, what a WAP stands for? And WAP is like, you call it without papers, Italians, right? When they're immigrants. But you take a big pile of poop in this hand, Buck, and then you take a big pile of poop in this hand, and you go WAP. And that's how you get a WAP. It's horrible, man. I love my Italian heritage, okay? Just because we ruled the world for so long doesn't mean you have to be upset about it. Okay? The Roman Empire. Get at me, bro. Anyways. Chicazzo. See? Yeah, exactly. Weighted average price. BTC will go up and down. You are right, Hacking Gaming. You're absolutely correct. We're not paper planes. We're not talking about FAP, okay? We're talking about WAP. My God. You know he's a tradie when. Enticing buyers. No trade. NASDAQ. Trying to push. What happened with NASDAQ the last 2 weeks? Push into market open, dump. 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 Okay? Be prepared. Liquidity. Liquidity. In the middle. Don't buy the top. Okay? This is cheeky, man. This is some... It's been real, like, normally I'll take trades in the first hour. You ask anybody, especially when we get news and stuff, I'll take trades. Maybe it's because we haven't had news. So it's been a lot of talking smack, really, until we get market open. Then we're required to make a little bit of patience and decision-making skills, but it's been dismal. The first hour has been dismal lately. Maybe we'll just start the live stream at 8 a.m. or at 9 a.m. from now on. We'll start an hour later. Nah, you guys like talking smack. I know it. I haven't even asked you guys once today. Have you noticed that? I haven't asked you guys once today to like the stream. Did you know that? They got a new setup here on YouTube. Look at this. It's weird, man. So you got like this picture here. It doesn't tell me how many likes I got now. How many likes do we got, man? We got 430 people in here. How many likes do I have? I don't even know. Doesn't tell me. Where's my likes? See, I have 156 likes, and I haven't even asked. Do you see why I ask, guys? You guys suck, man. You guys actually suck. I have to ask. You see why I ask? Put a 1 in the chat if you normally like the stream, but you forgot to like the video. Tell me. I want making crypto honest again. Come on. Tell me. Right? Come on, confess. You normally like the video, but you forgot to like it because I didn't tell you to like the damn video. Yeah, you see? Making crypto, we can all admit it. Come on, show me your P&L card. I want to see the truth. Yeah, here we go. You see? You're making me ask you. You wonder why everybody says, don't forget to like. Don't forget to like it. Let's make me sound like an absolute twat. I can't even see how many likes I got. That's annoying. Is there... No, there's no, like... There's no liking data. Oh, there it is. 208 now. I digress. Thank you. I'm trying to learn from you. My PL sucks. PNL? Thank you guys for smashing the like buttons, okay? I didn't ask you all morning. I was like, I wonder what it would be if I didn't ask. Alex, do you hit the like on other streams? Always. Always, even if I don't like it. I know that they're making an effort. I always hit it. Even if I think their stream is shite, I still like it because my streams were shite. My streams are still shite. I mean, but at least they're trying. You know what I mean? They're out here trying to provide some sort of education, entertainment, whatever. They're trying, man. So I applaud effort because I remember. I mean, when I first started streaming, guys, I still think I suck. I'm not like one of these super streamy califragic streamers, guys. I'm not like I can't rap like Jason Casper or sound so crispy like Tom Crown. I'm not where I want to be, but I'm working on it. You know? And we're off. Where to now? Where to now? Obviously, we can see that. Look at this loser,
We had
man.
a beautiful.
Look, I'm using a
beautiful
highlighter,
downtrend,
guys.
and now
What a
we seem
loser,
to have
man.
V-shape recovered. Now,
I look so young here,
what are we
man.
gonna do again? Let's get started. Let's have our mindset
Purple
right,
and orange
and
candles.
let's make a plan to trade these levels. Today is the 23rd of November, and it's currently nighttime in Australia.
I'm in
But
Australia.
yeah,
now.
let's get into this. So let's mark out our levels and get you some levels so that you guys can trade them today. So that you guys can all
Bitcoin's at
be
$17,000,
make some
guys.
profit. We're gonna mark out our
17
beautiful
second video.
beautiful value areas, full range, right back.
Look
this
at this.
trend,
That's
take a
so
little profits, right? This whole section here, if I can show you, I wanna.
Oh fuck, loser, man. Loser. I love that guy. You should watch. Join the Discord. Come into one of our live teaching sessions. We are absolutely on fire compared to that. Fire. We break down charts in seconds. We give you the alpha, the omega. No, we're more concise. We know what we're looking for. We know how to explain it better. I'm a much better teacher. I mean, I teach like 20 times a week, right? So after you do that for 3 years, you get lots of gray hair, you get little crow's feet, and you get much better at helping people fish. Now I'm a fishing instructor. We all dolphins want to be becoming. We're dolphins wanting to become whales, right? Rolling over here, enticing buyers, exhaustion at the top, standard deviation 1 rejection, coming down now. 45 seconds. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out with me. God bless you guys. And thank you for supporting the channel, man. Let's go, baby. Nas trying to go. Okay. Spy trying to go. Let's see how we gap this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We're looking for a gap up and then a dump. Let's see if we get it. 10 seconds. Bitcoin rolling over, continuing to roll over. NASDAQ, ETH rolling over hard. Sol rolling over hard. Remember we said that highs. That's the joke's on you if you got long on Solana there. We told you not to. Probably range bound for the next 3 days. That would be my guess. That would be my guess, but we'll see. We ain't here to guess. We're here to take high probability trade setups over and over and over again. Big gap up here for the S&P. In the place to be. What's up, everybody? My name is Ty My Shoe. All right. Pretty flat here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up the like button. Subscribing if you're new. Join the Discord. Never financial advice. We're just here clicking buttons, helping you guys navigate these charts. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. We have a Discord sale on last time to lock it in. $65 going up to $88 and rising. You were not a loser. Melissa, come on. Embarrassing, man. I was trying, though. I like this guy better, too, Southern Stacker. All right, rolling over here. Coming in for the slap. NASDAQ pumping. A little bit of a contrarian here. Nice rollover for Sol. ETH as well, coming back for those lows. Still lots of liquidity for us to take on either or. Triple top in here on Solana. Bitcoin, trying to hold on. No trade yet, still waiting. Just trickling down here, guys. Pretty flaccid. We'll see if it does want to come down into this area here, or if we, for me to get long here, would really like to see a higher high here, but looks like the NASDAQ is pushing. This is a good sign. S&P looking strong, leaving a gap below though. Patience here, little order block here, retest to previous highs, volume level, VWAP. No trade yet, still waiting. Thank you everybody for being here. S&P, flat, NASDAQ, pushing. Nice pushback. Remember, imbalance up in here, liquidity could be coming back here for 25,000. Indecision on Bitcoin, rolling over. Continuation down. We have some pivots down below here that we should be interested in too at 121,300 and at 120,500, okay? Above us, we have the same thing at 124,600 and 125,100, okay? So pretty much stuck in the middle with you, just trying to see if price will materialize in our favor this morning. We'd like to see a push up into 123,400. This is our major rejection zone, 123,400 to 123,800. If we can get some sort of topping pattern in here, happy days. Okay. Pretty much in the middle though right now. So a little bit of patience is required. Bearish divergence in here, rolling over. No mitigation of the low just yet, so we're not looking for necessarily this. Still waiting. 12-minute trigger wave printing. 24-minute. VWAPs coming back in. We have inward curvature. So this is telling me probably 10 o'clock till 11 o'clock. Probably 11 o'clock. We could potentially get a push. Bottoming structure here on Market Cipher, but no clear definitive kind of anchor trigger wave here. Money flow coming out of the asset, looking to roll over here. NASDAQ pushing up, sweeping into the liquidity, retesting previous lows right now. S&P, pump and dump, coming back to fill the gap possibly. Bitcoin rolling over still. Pretty choppy, guys. Nothing really here for sale in my opinion. We chopping 0.25% here, so we just wait. Want to see some volume come into the asset, give us some more definitive. This is going to be a really ugly orb if we just stay here. I mean, an orb in the middle of the range is actually quite useful because then you can use it as basically your range bound trend line. So if you break below it, you short it, break above it, you long it. So an orb in the middle is never that bad. It's actually quite useful. But rejection on NASDAQ after retesting the highs or the previous lows, sorry. SPY rolling over as well. Downside for Bitcoin. Bounce level for Solana. Double bottom. Bitcoin trying to push. Bull div on ETH coming into this order block here. Bitcoin flat. ETH flat. No signs of strength here. Pushing back here on Solana. That looks decent. Let's see if Bitcoin wants to follow suit. ETH continuing to roll over. SPY continuing to roll over. SPY rolling over after gapping up is a good sign because then you fill your gap and then you continue upwards typically. NASDAQ chop at the top. Bitcoin flat. No trade here. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Lots of chop. We got the minutes today at 2 o'clock, everybody, if you were unaware of that. FOMC minutes today. I don't think it's going to be a big deal, but we shall see. We shall see. I mean, flat here, guys. No trade. Same as when we started. Discord Live today. Looking forward to the Discord Live. It does look like we may have some more action come around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock this afternoon. Just by market ciphers looking the way it looks. So, a little patience here. Rolling over. None of this looks strong. Rolling over. Rolling over. Coming back down. Looking to fill that gap. NASDAQ continuing to push. Coming in for a VWAP slap here possibly. Considering a long VWAP slap. No trade yet. Still waiting. We have swept that low completely now. A little bit of patience here. See what we get. Really want confirmation of this VWAP slap, guys, because of the way everything else is behaving and how choppy we are. You don't want to just get Giga Chad long here on a VWAP slap. Not the way they've been building liquidity in here. Not ideal. I'd like to see it push through VWAP and then reclaim and then go. That would be much better in my opinion. There's still liquidity in this area here, so I just recommend patience right now. That's my recommendation. My non-financial advice recommendation from a hobbit who lives in the mountains in an igloo with a beautiful polar bear with its ledger up its butt. Okay? That's me. You're just here clicking buy and sell just the same as me. The only thing is I show everybody what I do. So thank you guys for liking, subscribing, hanging out, talking smack, taking names, all that stuff. I do appreciate you guys being here. Down we go. Choppy suey, yeah. Market is almost as boring as my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law isn't boring. What makes your mother-in-law boring? Oh, man. Slap that VWAP. Slap that VWAP. Slap a VWAP. Dun, 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 dun. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Slap my VWAP. Slap my VWAP. If you know, you know, man. Come on. Boom, boom, boom. Slap, 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 slap my VWAP. Slap my V. Boom, 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 boom. What a tune. Do 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 do. Boom, 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 boom. No trade, guys. Hands, man. Let's see some skiers in the chat. We on hands. Hand patrol. It's like Paw Patrol. Hand patrol. Real music moments with AlexOCrypto. Let's go, baby. It kills me, man. Skis in the chat. Let's go. Gang, 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 baby. See, we just wait here, just chilling in our buy zone. Let's see what happens. Very aggressive candle. You don't buy that. No reaction down at VWAP. Just flat. Down we go. Where we stop, Geronimo. Look at that. Coming into our order block here on Solana. Ethereum, remember, imbalance, okay? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. And put not a 3. We don't put 3s in the chat if you're sitting on your hands now. We now put skis in the chat. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Well, we can pull our fib now. Don't tell me how to pull my fib. Invalidated. Golden Pocket 786. ADA alert. ADA subtraction. Multiplication. No trade right now, everybody. Just chilling. Support level. Below VWAP, no trade. Dumping. NASDAQ, chopping. SPY still coming down. Bitcoin trying to bounce, no bounce. We skiing right now, everybody. Bunch of y'all short. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Good job, everybody. No streamer can beatbox like a I guess so. I guess I'm the one guy who beatboxes on stream. This is going to be a fun one today, friends. This is going to be a fun one today. Oh, wee. Down we go. No trade. Still waiting here. This is going to be what we got an orb. Decent size orb, actually. So we got a 1% orb almost with VWAP in the middle. This just calls for either we dump hard, which is great. I love a dump hard here. Or we just chop all morning. Ugh. It's not where I want to be. It's not where I want to be, guys. Holding orb. Below VWAP. See, like if VWAP wasn't here, I'd long this. But I'm not. I'm not touching it. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Yeah, I went there, guys. I went there. I just went there, guys. We go from prodigy to absolute lame very quickly here. Bouncing off support, bouncing off a buy level on ETH. S&P bouncing as well. Got a bunch of bouncing castles. Still no trade, guys. We order block here. Trying to hold orb. View up in our face. Like, we gave the short setup at the beginning of the stream. I mean, that was the idea. But just very choppy to start the day off. Coming up to view up for a slap. View up slapping down. No trade here. Still waiting. Meh. Tried to push back candle. I tried to push back. We'll see if it does want to continue here. I'd have to see a VWAP flip in order to get long. NQ pushing back, coming back for all this liquidity in here. That's strong. SPY's pushing. ETH's pushing. Sol trying to push. Bitcoin trying to get above VWAP here. Still no trade, guys. Still waiting. It's looking better. Hitting our support level here at 121.7. Halfway up the candle here. Typically where you get a rejection, right? Strength and strength. Looking good, looking good. SPY looking good. NASDAQ looking good. Bitcoin trying to push back. I know a bunch of you got long down here because you're degens and I love you. Just wasn't there for me, guys. Nice tweezer bottom, though. Still waiting here. Minute and a half on this candle. I love you too. Dragon D's long, yeah. Okay. Is ADA breaking out? Dave Digital, I just got an ADA alert. ADA's in a buy level. Okay. Nothing special. Chopping the WAP. So the concern is that you've had a perfect retest of the low here. Okay, so you break structure, you break down, you've retested the low of the range, and now you're dumping. Okay, so this typically looking to come down for the SFP or our high probability setup at 119,500. Corrective. We'll see. We got momentum holding here as well. Still waiting. Holding the WAP. Closing above VWAP here. Enticing, but not for me. Still no trade. Retest to previous lows. Not even for Solana. No trade here. Shorts still in play. All right. Nice pushback. Continuation up. Nasdaq strong. SPY choppy. ETH better. Sol better. Okay. A little bit of strength here in this move. Still flat. Very flat. Trading is waiting. That is life sometimes, guys. I think we get some more fireworks come this afternoon, FOMC minutes, stuff like that. Thank you, Infinite Team TA, and John Foster Crypto for the 5 gifted memberships. Nice pushback here. Still waiting. Took a pretty big effort to try and push price down there, which is interesting. Tells me that the bulls are fighting back pretty hard here. Bitcoin looks... Yeah. Put a 1 in the chat if you got long here. You guys are absolute legends. Retesting the lows here is going to be your major resistance coming up into price action right now. So no trade here. Uno. Uno, uno, uno. Your little baby, your little puppy pit. Oh, that's cute, man. Alex, when do you start trading? I'm in Central Time. I've normally taken 2 trades by now, Nathan. I just haven't seen anything I like, man. I can't force it. More of a Johnny Bravo than I can see the Johnny Bravo hair. The hair, right? You got the Johnny Bravo hair. With the sunglasses. Johnny Bravo. Whoa. With his big muscles, right? Right? There's Johnny Bravo. That's pretty good, eh? Off the top. That's a pretty good Johnny Bravo. Have I nailed it? I think I nailed it. Nobody etches sketches like AlexOCrypto, okay? I'm a wizard, Harry. Halfway down the candle, continuation on Sol. Flat here, holding WAP. Nasdaq continuing to climb here. Pretty overextended though. No trade here. Damn, that's art. I just started following and I want to use you. Oh, thanks, Nathan. To rebound in crypto trading and follow my every step. All right, Gear, take care, bro. I love Johnny Bravo as well. Coinbase down for scheduled maintenance. Oh, snap. We have the Discord. We have a giant spoon. And that's how we roll, man. I teach everything I do, right? I'm not a keeper of secrets. But I think if I copy traded, if I did like a copy trading thing, I think I would probably lose money because I'd be worried about losing you guys money. I don't want that on my conscience, you know? V-shaped recovery for Bitcoin here. Just not enough for me to justify taking a long here, guys. That's all. Typically I would have gotten long here, but below VWAP, not in an area that I liked, to be honest. And if you're buying up here, you're still buying the top of a downtrend, right? You got your trend here. You're still buying the top of a downtrend. That's overextended. In my opinion, you're waiting for something like this. But that's me. Nice recovery on Solana. Halfway down the candle retest was a nice continuation here. Bitcoin trying to flip orb and get above this high. It's got a job to do here. Nice recovery. NASDAQ giving the tell. SPY looking okay. I'm still waiting here, guys. Should we go a little bit longer today? What do you guys think? Longer is better. Trying to flip orb here. Nice pushback for Biddy. Buyers stepping up here on our beautiful hump day. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smacking up the like buttons. 250 likes. You guys are pretty cool. Okay, above orb now. A bunch of people did take that long, Boomer. I did not. ETH ripping. Bitcoin ripping. Let's go, baby. Biddy to the moon. Flipping orb. Continuation here. GG's everyone who took that long. Good job. Bitcoin's flying, guys. This is good. This is good. Looking for a retest of orb and continuation up. Soy boy Lana to the moon. Bitcoin to the moon. Looking for a retest on Soy Lana. Continuation. Bitcoin. Whew. Let's go, baby. Come into our sell wall. Bearish divergence SFP. Be aware. Bearish divergence SFP. Be aware. Don't be buying this damn top, please. Please don't be buying the top here. Come on, man. Don't be a nambe-pambe. NASDAQ pushing, SPY's pushing, everything's pushing right now. Looking for a retest back into here. Arrow breaking out. Retest of the highs here. Enticing buyers at the top. Continuation here. Nice push all around, everybody. Bitcoin to the moon. Still looking here for Biddy. Still waiting. Bearish divergence SFP, guys. Warning sign. Sell wall. Chopping the top here. Enticing more buyers. Still waiting. No trade yet. Still waiting. No trade yet. You guys are all FOMOing in. I can see you. I see you over there. I see you in there. I see you buying up here. You sneaky snake. I see you. Orb retest. Biddy retest. Considering a long here. NASDAQ still ripping. A little bit of exhaustion. SPY still ripping. Ethereum coming back retesting highs. Solana retesting highs. Looking for follow through on Bitcoin. Nice V-shaped recovery. Let's get long, baby. Let's see it. Let's see if it wants to keep pushing. Looking to get long if we get the right stuff here. Still waiting. NASDAQ, SPY look really good. Solana looks good. Retest to highs, continuation up. See if we get it, guys. All right, nice V-shaped recovery, guys. I'm going to go and have some breakfast. Discord live today. I'll update you guys in the Discord as we go here. Look for a retest continuation trade. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live with me, pressing buy and sell successfully. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trader, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.